We have two types of programs that is going on right now for all the batches we have announced. Let's say, for example, we have a pharmac, clinical pharmac. So that now in this, the drugs will be covered as well as related diseases will be covered. Because we cannot take only drugs, it becomes more theoretical and becomes you will sleep in the class. And it's an online class, so everyone is allowed to sleep without even anybody understanding it. So drugs are covered along with that disease is also covered. Because for example, when you're teaching an asthmatic drug, you'll be also going through an asthma. So that we can understand कि drug कभी लेना चाहिए and what are the symptoms and all those things. Now, we also have the other batches that we have started. If you are interested, we have a medicine batch where we are taking clinical medicine in which the symptoms will be covered. And thinking about the symptoms, the treatment will be managed. Now, pharmac mein drugs and part of the disease related to the drug will be covered. But patient is not going to come to you with disease ready-made. Patient is going to come to you with symptoms. So clinical medicine may we discuss about the symptoms. Like for example, the first symptom we have started was the cough. And we're discussing the differential diagnosis of cough and then management of cough and all those things. And we also have a third, an OBGY. That is what we have started. If you take a note of it, so somebody can be interested, can join. All these three batches are designed two ways. We have a live online batch and a recorded batch, recorded lectures. Remember, live online is just like this. You will have to attend live. You will have to be present at that particular time in a good network, preferably in a non-noisy place. And it is one of the advantages of a live classroom. You can ask doubts. And but the trouble is, you will have to be present at that particular time.
हेलो
Recorded में क्या होता है? What we have been taking
हेलो
these lectures for past 10 to 12
हाँ
years. We have started recording for maybe 3
आए
years.
लेक्चर चालू बोल
Please mute yourself, somebody.
कहाँ चलते
Okay, I'm sorry. So recorded lectures में क्या होता है? We share a recorded lectures through a private link on your Google ID. So you'll be getting an email and you will be able to open it only on your registered email ID. You cannot share with anybody. Even if you share, the person will not be able to open it. And each lecture is available for 24 hours. In these 24 hours, you can see any number of times. You can pause the lecture, you can rewind the lecture, you can go back, you can fast forward it and all those things. Lecture link is going to disappear or is not going to work after 24 hours. Now remember, we have kept deliberately as a time limit because if you don't give time limit, we are not going to see it. Because all of us know unless the exam date are announced, we don't study. And you know that the lecture is going to disappear tomorrow, you're going to see it today, anyhow. And the sequence is going to remain the same. जैसे हमने क्योंकि we can also share all the lectures to you together and we'll be free. But what happens is you don't know the sequence, you don't know step by step how we can understand it. So because each chapter requires a minimum 24 hours or maybe 2 days to digest it to go to the next chapter. So deliberately there is a time limit so that you can see it. And if you have a doubt, because the only problem will be doubt. If you have a doubt, you can just audio record your doubt and send it on a group, अपना WhatsApp group पे. Usually within 24 hours, I'm going to respond to that. Earlier if it is possible, of course, so that you can see the lecture again. Here, you don't have a limit of number of times you're going to see. You don't have a problem of a network. You can be there in a good network and then you can see. You can also see it once in pause the video, take down the notes, again rewind it, again forward it. Preferably you take down the notes. That is just like the way. Consider the recorded lecture also just like your classroom. And you have an ability to pause the lecture. Sir, रुको हमको लिखने दो, for example. Sir, वापस एक बार पीछे जाओ, for example. All those things are possible. And the doubt clearing is also there. You can share your doubt in audio recorded form. You can send it to us and we'll be able to respond it. And here, even one person ka doubt is going to benefit all. Because that will be heard by all, and the explanation will also be heard by all. So it's going to benefit. And the recorded lectures price is also, as we quoted, it will be less because my active time will be required, will be less. So it depends upon the number of doubts, of course, but that's what we wanted to give you a live lecture or maybe classroom experience in a live lecture form as well as a recorded lectures form. So you discuss among yourself. If you have any queries, you can just WhatsApp us. The uh, uh, final date we have decided to register is also coming very near. So the and recorded lectures may maximum we can take 40 students maximum because the license we have purchased is for only 40 students. So if you are a college group, we'll be making a separate group for those 40 students, and we'll be sharing the lectures as per their exam and college schedule. That is what is an advantage we can give for a separate college group. Depend because usually एक college का exam रहता है तो दूसरे college का miss हो जाता है, for example, and the same call. So that's what can be advantage of recorded lectures for all OBGY, medicine as well as pharmac. And we are also planning for pathology. We have 2 batches ka lectures recorded for pathology. So if you are interested, just let me know. And if you have any doubt, you can just raise your hand right now, if it is possible. Otherwise, I can say that you don't have any doubts. Just me. Just raise your hands if you have any doubt. I can unmute you because somebody was uh, in a crowded place. Okay. Something, kuch to message भेजा है. If you have any doubt, you can just raise your hands. Otherwise, we'll call it off a session. Yeah? And please raise your hand. Unmute yourself. If you
Hello.
have any doubt. Yes, can you hear me?
Hello.
हाँ
Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
हाँ सर, हाफ लाईफ रेड्यूस करू शकत नाही आपण, पण सर TDS चा डोस 1 DS मध्ये करू शकतो, तर त्याची पण लिमिट असेल ना?
मग आहे ना आपली TDS मध्ये आपल्याला ते 3 लेअर मध्ये डिझाईन करावं लागेल. म्हणजे बाहेरचा लेअर 8 तासामध्ये डिझाईन होईल, मधला लेअर पुढच्या 8 तासामध्ये
ओके.
डिझाईन होईल, आणि सगळ्यात आतला लेअर 8 तासामध्ये
हा.
डिझाईन होईल. हा TDS रोज आपण 1 डे केला. हाफ लाईफला
सर
आपण
हा सर, आपल्याला पण 1 डे चेच डोस असे म्हणजे लेअर कॉम्बिनेशन करता येईल ना, म्हणजे 2 दिवसाचे 1 दिवस असं नाही करता येणार ना?
टॉयलेट मधून निघून जाणार. आता आपण GI ड्रग केला ना, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन.
हॅलो
कम आउट इन द स्कूल.
सर, नॉईज ऐकू येतो सर.
ओके, यू मे बी देअर इन नॉइझी प्लेस. हा, बिकॉज काय होतं, आपण समजा अजून 20 लेअर डिझाईन केले, पुरतील 7 दिवस पुरतील, बरोबर ना?
हो.
पण 7 दिवसाच्या आत ते ड्रग निघून जाईल ना टॉयलेट मधून. GI ट्रॅक मध्ये दिले ना ते,
हा हा हा, बरोबर.
राईट. त्यामुळे आपल्याला
म्हणजे
त्याच्यापासून
सर पर डे फक्त इफेक्टिव्ह राहील का ते?
सस्टेन रिलीज प्रिपरेशन इज ओनली फॉर
एका
1 डे.
डेची.
राईट. नाउ
ओके
यू गॉट
ओके.
इट राईट.
आय एम आस्किंग दॅट. येस.
Now you got it right now.
हा. थँक्यू.
समजलं?